In this video, we'll walk through how to modify an image in Ella. First, let's open up a social story. So anything you see within these images can be tweaked, changed, or removed. To edit an image, click the pencil icon and select Modify Image. It's the very last option on the list. Here, you'll see 7 different ways to adjust your image. Just make sure you're on the correct one, then click the feature you'd like to use. And to move between the images, just use the arrow buttons below. So now let's quickly walk through what each option does. If you'd like to completely change the background or create a brand new version of a visual, choose Reimagine Image, which is the first feature. So for example, if we want these 2 kiddos to be in a park instead of a classroom, we'll just type that into the text box and press Reimagine. Ella will take a moment to generate the new image, and if everything looks good, click Keep to save it. Next, let's say your image is almost perfect but needs a small adjustment. This is where Tweak Image comes in handy. In this example, let's say we want to change the sad face to a happy face and the word worried to calm. All you have to do is simply draw a shape around what you want to change and then type in the text box what you want Ella to tweak. This feature is really helpful because it allows you to fine-tune the little details without starting from scratch. And lastly, just press Keep to save. Next, we'll take a look at the feature called Erase Area. You would use this if there's something in the image that you don't necessarily need, like this book and this image here. And same thing here, all you have to do is draw a shape around the item you don't want and click Erase to remove it. Another feature that Ella offers is Swap Character. This allows you to switch up the characters while keeping everything else in the story the same. With Swap Character, just click on the character you'd like to replace and select a different profile to swap them in, like we're doing here with the teachers. Next on the list is Restyle Image, and this allows you to see your story in a different art style even after it's been already created. You can change the style of one image or the entire set in the support with a click of a button. And once again, just give Ella a moment to generate the new images. From here, you can decide if you want to keep your new visuals in the new art style by pressing Keep, or if you prefer the original, just press Revert to switch back. The last 2 features are Upload Image and Browse Gallery. Upload Image allows you to add a photo directly from your device, and Browse Gallery allows you to look through previously created images in Ella. With all of these options, you have the flexibility to make each visual feel just right for your kiddo.